Gymsmithy. Today I am rebuilding the reverse hyper. I'm adding an ab component to it. Gonna be good.
Now I am using my old reverse hyper that I've already built from my previous home gym. However, if you were to buy one of these, it would put you back $600, $1,200. I think there's an economy version for $300 or $400 now.
Space constraints make it a little hard to see the whole thing, but this is my old reverse hyper. It does have the swing arm portion, and then what it used to do is it would be connected to the wall here. Oh, you can barely see that. It'd be connected to the wall. It would fold up and fold back down to save space. I have a spot for it now. I don't have to save space anymore. So I'm going to attach this to the wall and then build that ab portion on it. Got it set on the wall. Got the swing arm.
There's only 2 screws holding into the wall at this point, so I hope it doesn't give out on me.
So it's good for height, good for placement. Has its own space right there. So I got the top supports on. They are a little bit squishy, like if I get myself
Get squished?
on there, my shoulders are right there, but it's alright. It's workable, so I'm gonna take that and put these on there because that's gonna help me for the legs.
Or should I say abs? So all this took me about an hour and a half to kind of refurbish and figure out. Between the 2x4s and the office cushion and stuff like that, it's really not too expensive. Maybe $60 or something like that when I originally made it back in the day. I'm just getting lined up to see that the cushion is where it needs to be so that when I put the foot holder there, I'll hold myself appropriately.
So I attach this bar right here. Got our pink fun noodle.
So much fun.
Right, that goes right there. And then, ooh, gonna need a better angle.
So the device ends up working how I hoped it would. I can get myself on up there, get a little scooted adjusted. I can do those kind of sit-up abs, but mostly what I wanted this for is I wanted it for the Russian twist, which you see right there. Oh, and that one burns. Ugh. And then I'm going to transition back down and show you the reverse hyper part. Used an old karate belt as the holding device. This works superbly. But really, reverse hypers are great. It's a fantastic piece of equipment and necessary for low back rehab and strengthening.
The reverse hyper, I still love it. Like I had it before, and now I can use it again finally. Oh, I've been waiting. And it used to be in the middle of the wall. It used to make that sucker sway when it pulled on it, so now that it's anchored at the top and the bottom, it won't do that anymore, which is really, really great. And the ab thing's gonna be good. So, got some good ab stuff. Got another ab machine. It might come up next, or 2 or 3 or something. So, Gymsmithy out. Like and subscribe.
1, 2, 3, 4.